Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 20. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 9. 8 here, so 1, 9. Same here, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 2, 9, and no help here, 2, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 4, 8. And this would be 4, 8. So that means the only place our 6 can be in that column is here. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9, and no help here, 3, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 2, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 3. Two here, so 8, 9. 8 here, so 2, 9. And no help here, so 2, 8, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 here and 8 here, so this is our 9. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 9, 2. That 2 and 3 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 2, and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 9, 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.